Hey, what's up you guys? It's Vicky and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. So today's video came about a little bit weird because I just wanted to sit down and play with makeup, and then this is probably gonna sound so insane, but midway through when I was doing my face makeup, I thought about these flip-flops that I had in the 7th grade that I was in love with. They were blue, orange, and white, and they were the best Nike flip-flops ever, and my mom told me not to take them to school, and I took them to school anyway, and then they got stolen from my locker, and I have honestly never recovered from that moment. I think about it all the time. And because of the trauma being brought up, I figured that I should symbolize and commemorate that awesome pair of flip-flops that were taken from me oh so soon in a makeup look. So that's what this makeup look is. It's my stolen flip-flop makeup look. It also kind of looks like the Miami Dolphins colors, but that's okay too. I guess this video has dual purpose, or maybe you just want to see this video because you want to see me paint my face. That's cool too. Happy to have you here. But before we get into the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you ever feel inclined to do so, and hit the bell icon down below so that you guys can stay notified to whenever I upload a new video. So with all of that general housekeeping stuff being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. how this makeup look turned out. Who knew that pettiness and holding a grudge forever could create such a pretty look? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you let me know down below by liking this video, commenting what videos you guys want to see next, and subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you guys soon in my next videos. Become my best friend. Let's talk about makeup and fashion and all of the fun things. But until the next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.